Immediacy in counseling. Immediacy is a powerful counseling technique that involves focusing on the here and now experience. This concept is grounded in the therapeutic process, emphasizing the importance of real-time observations, feelings, and interactions that arise in the session. By addressing current feelings, thoughts, and behaviors, counselors can deepen the therapeutic relationship and facilitate meaningful change. What are types of immediacy? Addressing current behavior, focusing on the client's nonverbal cues or actions during the session. Expressing personal reactions, sharing the counselor's own feelings or thoughts in response to the client's communication. The roles of immediacy in counseling. One of the roles of immediacy is that it enhances connection. Immediacy can create a more intimate and authentic therapeutic relationship. Also, it increases self-awareness. It helps clients become more mindful of their present moment experiences. It facilitates deeper exploration. Immediacy can encourage clients to address underlying emotions and issues. How does immediacy work in counseling? Be mindful of timing. Introduce immediacy at appropriate moments in the session. Be respectful. Approach immediacy with empathy and understanding. Be prepared for reactions. Be aware that immediacy can sometimes evoke strong emotions in clients. In summary, immediacy is a valuable tool for counselors that can deepen the therapeutic relationship and facilitate meaningful change. By focusing on the here and now, counselors can help clients gain greater self-awareness and explore their underlying emotions. Immediacy allows for more authentic communication and enables both parties to address any challenges, discomforts, or emotions as they arise, fostering a more effective and meaningful therapeutic process.